Literally, why is this a thing?
We have openness over here. Come over here.
Research.
You guys might want to move so it doesn't get scared.
Oh! Looks like we're not getting to 20 minutes of this one.
Come out the window!
This way! Out the window! This way! This way! Out! Wait, shut the door so it doesn't go around the school.
Yes.